Did you know these amazing Siberian animal secrets?
Here's a new fact for you. Follow and like to get new facts daily. Siberia is home to many incredible animals. For instance, the Siberian tiger is the largest cat in the world. Did you know they can weigh up to 600 pounds? Also, the snowy owl can be found in Siberia. This owl has beautiful white feathers that help it blend with the snow. Another cool animal is the Siberian husky, known for its striking blue eyes. They were originally bred to pull sleds. Many animals in Siberia can survive extreme cold. The Arctic fox has thick fur and can change color with the seasons. Like and follow for more fun facts.